So to begin, let's start by taking out the wheel. Okay, so out comes the wheel. See this little pin right here? Basically, use a flat screwdriver, shift the pin out, and voila. Okay, now there's a little pin right here that you have to move up. Okay, so that's out. So what you do, so this is the pin, put this back, okay, put the pin back here, the safety pin, there, okay, just leave that. Okay guys, so once you get the drum off, this is what you need to do next. Look at the back here, this is the backing here, there's 4 bolts, okay, so what you need to do is you need to loosen these bolts so that you can take out the axle. Then you're going to have to loosen the brake line right here. This is your ABS line right here as well. You're going to have to do those. You're going to have to disconnect, not loose. So that's already loose. So now you are free to pull the axle out. Watch this. There you go. There. Done. Okay guys, so we are going to be replacing this seal here. It's called the inner seal for Toyota Tundras, Tacomas, and 4Runners, okay, and pickup trucks. So, contrary to what other people think, you just don't go in, pull this out, and swap it in. The reason is because you have to know the exact depth here, okay. And the reason why I say you have to know the exact depth is because if you punch this too far in, basically this lip right here actually gives in. And when it does that, okay, it actually messes up the lip, the contact here, okay. So you don't want to mesh this too much into it, because if you mesh this too much, this thing will bend and it'll give you a sucky contact surface here. So we're going to measure that, okay, with a caliper, L caliper. So here, let me zero mine out. So it's zeroed, okay. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure like so, okay. So it's 1.52. 1.46, 1.51. Okay, so I'm thinking 1.51 is good. Okay, that was quick. Okay, so we're gonna put some gear oil onto the seal, the new one. So, measured it again, 1.52. 1.52. .44. So it's about the same depth. And notice that it's not okay. Tapping a little bit up there. And that is good enough for me. So you wanna measure it, make sure it goes back to this about the same ballpark. See this thing right here? And you have to replace this too. So I'll be right back, get a new seal. Okay, so here's the new seal. Goes in. This is the old seal. Okay. New seal goes in. It's good. So here comes the fun part. Is inserting the axle, the rebuilt axle in. So you want to make sure that all the dirt is off and away. Let me go get a brake cleaner. Spray here too. Okay, so okay. Make sure this thing right here is up. That's the brake slave cylinder here. So guys, that is that. That is how you install the new seals. So let me know what your thoughts are. Like and subscribe.